Hi friends, my name is Dr. Shakti. I am from Bhubaneswar, Orissa. I am a general physician. I opted for this course, which is primary care rheumatology. I find it very useful. It is very useful for the GPs in day-to-day practice, and it has really motivated me, enhanced my knowledge, and has given me the confidence to treat patients who come with day-to-day problems of joint pains, body aches, and I feel that all of you, most of you who are doing general practice should try and opt for this course to refine your knowledge and to write better prescriptions and to help the patients live a better life.